Negative powers. In this video, you are going to look at how to simplify negative powers. Let's see how to simplify a fraction with negative power. 2/5, or to the power of -3. Though fractions and negative powers might look complicated, you can easily simplify it by following the same two-step rule. Step 1. Turn the number or term upside down. Step 2. Make the power as positive. First, flip the fraction upside down. When you flip the fraction 2/5, it becomes 5/2. Next, make the negative power of -3 to positive power of +3. 5/2, or to the power of 3. Since the power applies to the whole bracket, you need to apply the power to both the denominator and numerator separately. Now, this is similar to raising power of a fraction, which we explained in the earlier video. To find the power of a fraction, first raise the numerator to that power and then do the same for the denominator. 5 cubed divided by 2 cubed. On expanding the powers for the numbers, we get 125/8. The simplified expression of 2/5, or to the power of -3, is 125/8.